What's going on, Gary here. In this quick video, I just want to break down why I think you should actually pick up and use ClickFunnels. Now, at the time of recording this, if you're watching this video, there's actually a 14-day free trial with ClickFunnels. So there's going to be a button directly below this video. At any time, you can actually click that button and you should be taken to a page that looks something like this. You can go ahead and click this button here, and you can go ahead and sign up, okay? Now, once you sign up, at the end of those 14 days, it's gonna be $97 a month, okay? Now, whether that sounds like a lot or not, I do wanna urge you to stick with me in this video, and I wanna prove to you why I think ClickFunnels is incredibly important when it comes to building an online business. So if I log into my account right here, the really cool thing about ClickFunnels is what it does is it literally allows you to create tons and tons of beautiful, professional online funnels with a click of a button, okay? Hence the name ClickFunnels. So if I go into my funnels, you're gonna be able to see some of the funnels that I've actually created, okay? Now, the cool thing, again, about this specific software is they really have tons and tons of different templates, okay? So if you're not technical, if you don't know how to create websites, that's what this is for. So let's step back and let's say you're an affiliate marketer and you're promoting products online and you just want to create a simple funnel, okay? You want to send visitors or traffic to your website. You want to be able to capture that person's email address, and then you want to be able to maybe redirect them to a page, like a thank you page, okay? And then also be able to collect their email and follow up. You're gonna be able to do that very easily, okay? So I'll share with you that in this video. If I go to the top and go build new funnel, okay? They have all these different templates, okay? So first is you choose your goal, okay? So if you wanna collect emails, you can actually choose this one. Now, maybe you're someone though that wants to sell your own product, okay? Maybe you're a coach or consultant, or you just maybe in the future, you wanna actually create your own offer and sell it. Well, you can actually click here, okay? Sell your product. And there are specific funnels that are proven to be incredibly high converting when it comes to selling your products. Or if you wanna host a webinar, okay? So maybe you're selling a product that's, $2,000 or maybe $5,000. That's going to be good for actually doing when it comes to a webinar, okay? We can sell these higher ticket products on things like webinars, and these are specific funnels that work best for a webinar. But for the sake of this video, let's choose the collect emails, okay? For name, I'll just do test campaign, okay? And then I'll just build funnel. Now, once it loads, you're going to be able to see how simple this actually is, okay? So first off, when it comes to opt-in, okay, it's the opt-in page, the capture page. So I have all these templates, or I can actually just go down and you can see that ClickFunnels has all these templates that they've created when it comes to the opt-in page or the capture page, okay? And you can actually preview these. So let's say, for example, this one, okay? Maybe you have a free report, okay? A free PDF that you're wanting to give away to someone in exchange for their email address. Well, this could be a very good template you could use. So actually, for the sake of this, let's go ahead and select this template, okay? And within a matter of seconds, it automatically loads this up, okay? And I can hit edit page right here. And I want to share with you just very quickly how easy and fast you can edit this for your own liking, okay? So first off, this headline. When it comes to a capture page, you want to create a very compelling headline. Typically, the formula is you want to build curiosity. So notice right here, it says, discover the #1 trick to boost your conversion rates. Notice it doesn't tell you what that trick actually is. You have to put your email in to actually find that out, okay? So you can see that this page, it's a pop-up. So when they click this button, it pops up, and now you can actually collect someone's first name and email address, and then you can go ahead and follow up with them through emails. So let's go back here, okay? Let's say you are in the health and fitness niche for the sake of this video. Okay, you're in the health and fitness niche, and maybe you're giving away a free report that teaches people, maybe a method to lose 7 pounds in a week, okay? So I can edit this and say, discover the #1 trick to lose 7 pounds in, let's say, 6 days, okay, to make it more, unique. Even without changing a single thing about your landing page, even without changing a single thing in your diet, okay, if that's what your free report taught, in your diet. Okay, so get started right here, download the free report. Now, if we want to edit this pop-up, you can go to Show Pop-up here, and let's say we just want to collect their email address. I can delete this, okay, which is going to be their full name. I can actually delete that, okay, right there. And I can actually drag this down. You can see how easy. This is literally just drag and drop. You can delete these elements. If I want to move this down, top margin, okay, you can see I'm moving that right there. And then I can edit this, sign up, okay, enter your best email below to access my free report, okay? I mean, literally it's a matter of seconds, and then we would just save this. Okay, now you can name it, free report, save, okay, and that's it. Now, if you want to remove this logo or change it, I can just hit delete, okay? If you just drag your mouse over this, delete there, okay? Save. Now, just very quickly, if you want to change this color, you can go here, okay, this little settings. Anytime you hold your mouse, it's going to be able to allow you to edit it. I can go to background color here, and I can do, red, or I can do, like let's say, that blue, a different blue, or this, right? You can actually drag around it like that, okay? Very easy. That's why so many people love ClickFunnels, because it literally is, drag and drop. It's incredibly easy. And then for the thank you page, okay, so you can click there, and then you can actually, you can see I've created these templates for myself, okay? Or you can just go down here and choose one of their templates, okay? So I can see, let's say this one, select this one, okay? It's gonna load. And then once it loads, again, we can edit the page here, and then we can just edit this, this thank you page, okay? So if I wanna delete the logo, I can delete, those elements. You're in. Check your email for access, okay? Your free report should be on its way to your email inbox in a few minutes, okay? Something like that. If we want to make it bigger, we go to the settings, font size, okay? Now, another cool thing about ClickFunnels is you can actually view this on mobile, okay? So on the mobile phone, you want to go up here and click that little icon. It's going to share with you what it looks like on a phone, okay? So you want to make sure it looks good. This is too big, so I can hover over, hit settings, and on the right side, we want to go to edit mobile size, okay? This is the font, okay? And I can actually choose, and I can play around, okay? That's way too small, 18 pixels, so I go to 22 pixels, or I can go to 38 pixels, okay? So that's looking better. And then I can go back to desktop, okay? Now I may want to edit this button. I can say, click here for my #1 weight loss program, okay? Something like that, right? And then I can click there. I can go set action. I can go to website URL. And then if I have my affiliate link, okay, to this product, I can put it there. And then I save it. And then when people click that button, it will take them to my affiliate program. Now I can do thank you page, okay, as the title. Doesn't really matter. Most people aren't going to see that. And then we just exit. And then there we have it, okay? So what happens is when someone comes to this page, they click here, okay? I can actually refresh this, okay, because this is the new, what it looks like. Click here. Then it has their email. They put their email in, okay? And then when they sign up, it would actually take them here, right? And then if they click there, it's going to go to our affiliate link. Now, the last thing you need to understand is for ClickFunnels to work, if you actually want to capture emails, you also need an email autoresponder service, okay? Now, the one that I personally recommend is called GetResponse. they actually have a 30-day free trial, so you can actually sign up free. And after that first 30 days, it's just $30 a month. Okay, so if you get ClickFunnels and GetResponse, you're looking at $97 for ClickFunnels plus $30 for GetResponse. It's $127 a month. Now, again, I'm not sure your situation. Maybe that seems like a lot. When it comes to affiliate marketing, the beautiful thing about it is your expenses are incredibly low. You don't need a lot of tools. All you really need to succeed is a funnel builder, okay, like ClickFunnels, and an email autoresponder service like GetResponse. That's it, okay? And often one affiliate sale can pay for that entire month of both of these softwares, okay? So it's very, very affordable when you look at it that way, and it's very, very powerful, okay? So I'll include both buttons down below to access both of these. They both have a free trial, okay? 14 days for ClickFunnels, 14 days. And then for GetResponse, it's 30 days free, okay? So test those out. I highly recommend them. And again, you can create your first funnel even as soon as today. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on the inside.